One day, Guru and Shishya were sitting together. Guru said, "What I think is, more and more people should be living close to the nature." Shishya smiled and said, "This is what you said to me and you brought me in this forest. I completely remember this. But now tell me, is this what you are suggesting to all the people around the world?" Guru said, "In ideal world, yes, and in practical world, maybe no. Most people can't do it. What I'm saying is, they should have a feel and appreciation for the nature and around themselves. We are living in the beautiful world, and we should be able to appreciate the beauty of this world." Thank you so much for watching this video.